How to stop background apps from running on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop background apps from running on your Android device. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, swipe up from your home screen and simply open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. And now here, under the About Phone, simply tap on Software Information. And now here, inside this section, look for the build number and simply tap on it 7 times. And after that, you'll be prompted to enter your phone PIN. So go ahead and enter it. And once you have done that, you'll see the message that the developer mode is now enabled. So here with that, simply go back to the main settings page, and after that scroll down again and you will see new options called developer options. So just tap on it, and now here inside the developer options, just scroll down and tap on running services, and this will show you all the apps currently used in the background. So here you can just tap on any app from the list, and if you see a stop button, just tap on it to shut down the app. And here with that, let's go back to the developer options, and from here simply scroll all the way down again and simply find the settings called background process limit. And once you have found it, just tap on it, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on no background process to completely stop all background activity, and this will prevent apps from running in background unless they are actively open. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.